Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the last market report for 2024, the Christmas Day edition for 12/25. We had a battle between up and down arrows. Everything week over week was down. Everything year over year was up. So kind of a little bit of mixed. Saw the market still moving. House is still going. You know, it's Christmas every year. About this time, this is the slowest time of the year in housing sales historically. Always is December and January. So we know it slows up a little bit, but it still happens. People still got to make moves. We had 5 closings this month, I believe. So like I said, people still got to make moves. You know, if you're ready, let us know. We'd be glad to put together a game plan for you and see if it's something that'll work. So these are the numbers, and I report, you decide. Closings happen every day. Active available inventory came in at 587 homes in the Fort Wayne Metro, down 23 from the previous week, down about 4% week over week, up 21% year over year. New listings came in down 25% week over week, but up 41% year over year. Solds came in down 12% week over week, but up 56% year over year. Pendings came in down 19% week over week, but up 6% year over year. Median sale price for the previous 7 days came in at $250,000, showing 7% appreciation. We also saw the last 12 come in at $247,000, showing 7% appreciation as well for the last 12 months rolling. Days on market slowed up a little bit on the average from 25 to 27 the week over week, but the median went down from 16 to 15. So we're seeing 27 average, 15 median, versus last year at this time, we were seeing 25 average and 9 median. So a little bit slower based on the median than last year. Last 12 months, homes sold came in at 4,420 versus last year at this time, 4,256, showing 4% up from last year. And we're seeing, to have a balanced market, we need about 2,210 homes for sale to have 6 months inventory, which is balanced inventory. So we're still showing a seller's market, showing about 3.8 buyers per listing, right about 2 months inventory. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything, and hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. Grace and peace.